Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today we are here with a brand new signal, and today's signal is going to be on GBPUSD, aka British Pound per US dollar. So without any more time to waste, let's head to the calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we're on our calendar, as you can see, just because of the movement of dollar that I have predicted for this week, all of these currencies that I have mentioned in weekly forecast video are actually pushing to the downside a little bit. And if we can see right here on the left side, we have sellers that are crushing the buyers currently right at this moment, but in the next week we are going to experience a bullish movement in all of these currencies. And if we go to the downside, on Thursday and Friday we have some news that are going to support our trade, but as you all know, news are not enough. So let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we're on the chart, as you can see, we are on GBPUSD on 1 hour time frame, and as always I have pre-drawn some zones for you. The blue zone, as always, is our trading zone. The red zone is going to be a resistance for the price that is going up, but it's actually going to act like a support for our trade. And as you can see, there is a lot of liquidity below these equal lows, and there is actually a lot of liquidity below these lows as well. But the thing is, we have a really strong support right here. Why? Because when these lows were forming, we actually can see that the market has formed a lot of equal highs as well, and those equal highs were taken so fast, it makes a really strong support zone out of it. So we're gonna put our third TP on this level, and the fourth TP is going to be somewhere around here, right under this support level. So what I want from you guys, as always, is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this pretty for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, now that we have this beautiful setup, as always, I just wanted to end the video with a beautiful quote. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Believe in yourselves, guys. Have a good day and peace.